Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change and customize your new tab page in the Microsoft Edge web browser really quickly. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So launch the Microsoft Edge web browser on your computer or on any other device. And what you want to do guys here in your home feed is click on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu to access your browser settings. And inside your browser settings, head over to Start, Home, and a new tab page here to the left and here to the right. Scroll down till you get to that section here, New Tab Page. You can customize it by clicking on that button here to the right. That is going to open Microsoft Edge with a new tab here with these page settings here to the right. So what you can do guys is, for instance, change your language or your region here to the right from, I don't know, United States to India or a European country. And you can also decide whether you'd like to show sponsored links or quick links. You can also enable content, widgets, and a newsfeed. And you can also customize the layout by selecting a partial view, headings, full page, and so on and so forth, or enable the newest weather here below. And what you want to do after that, guys, is, for instance, edit your background image. You can do that by clicking on Edit Background here and select one of these templates listed below, or simply click on Upload Image here to upload your own custom image and to set it your background image for your new tab page. And that's basically it. Head back by clicking on that X icon here. And there you go. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and I'll see you next time on our channel.